Good morning, everyone. My name is Roy S. Montegrio, and I am your TESDA accredited assessor in the qualification of driving in situ. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Rex Baco, our AC manager, and Ms. Cynthia Iboogan, our TESDA representative from TESDA Provincial Office. You don't have to worry about their presence. They are here to oversee and observe the conduct competency assessment and procedure, and they will not assess you. So before I start, may I ask you to sign the attendance sheet, and please present to me your admission slip and ID once your name is called. Mr. Oliver Guerrero. Mr. John Mark Milano. And I have here with me your accomplished self-assessment guide. This is a proof that you know and you can perform all the unit of competencies under driving in situ. Welcome to SNSAT, our venue for the conduct of national assessment. So the purpose of the national assessment aims to determine the level of your competency and for the issuance of national certificate level 2. Today I am going to administer the full qualifications of technical driving in situ. These qualifications consist of basic, common, and the 4 competencies, namely carry out minor vehicle, maintenance and servicing. Second, drive light vehicle. Third, obey and observe traffic rules and regulations. And the fourth is implement and coordinate accident emergency procedures. These 4 units are clustered from one assessment package for full qualifications, and I am going to use written tests, demonstrations, and oral questioning to assess you underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills. There will be 2 assessment results named competent and not yet competent. And if you found to be competent, you can get your NC2 after 5 working days at the TESDA office. And if you found to be not yet competent, you are qualified to be reassessment. Just go to the nearest assessment center and schedule your reassessment anytime. And if you are not satisfied with the assessment result, you may write a letter of appeal addressed to the TESDA Provincial Director. And for your personal necessities, we have a comfort room at the left after the exit door, and you can take your snacks in the canteen. So for do's and don'ts, only I and the assessor and the AC manager and the TESDA representative are allowed to inside the assessment venue to ensure the confidentiality of the assessment, and during the assessment, you're no longer allowed to leave the premises. So if you have difficulty of understanding the given instructions, don't hesitate to ask me, for I am willing to help you. Is there any questions, concerns? If none, I will now distribute the competency assessment. Here are the agreement, and read the instruction carefully. If you need some assistance, I am willing to assist you. Are you done? Submit to me. These are the specific instructions. Read the instructions carefully, and if you have questions, concerns, I am willing to help you. So, are you all ready? Okay, I will give you now your written test. It is a 30 items test. Read the instructions carefully and answer it correctly. You have 20 minutes to answer it. Time is up. Please pass. Thank you. So I will now assign you to your respective workstation. Candidate 1, please proceed to your workstation 1. And candidate 2, please proceed to workstation 2. To candidate 1, this is your general instructions. Given the necessary tools and materials, you should be able to perform the task of the title, namely apply the dressing. And with allotted time of 45 minutes, right after the demonstration, prepare yourself for oral questioning. Are you ready? Your time starts now. Time's up. Candidate 1, please proceed to workstation 1. So candidate 2, this is your general instructions. Given the necessary tools and materials, you should be able to perform the task with the title of apply the dressing. With allotted time of 45 minutes right after the demonstration, prepare yourself for oral questioning. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Your time starts now. Time's up. Candidate 2, please proceed to workstation. Are you done, candidate number 1?
Sir.
Please come here. Please be seated. So are you ready for your oral questioning?
Yes, sir.
Candidate 1, how do you feel about my assessment?
So I feel like I'm a 20%, but I know what I
Okay. So based on my observation, you are indeed competent in performing the entire task for the full competencies. And you are also got the passing score for the demonstration, and you also answered correctly the questions for the oral questioning. And also you got 38/40 for your written test. However, next time please observe proper body mechanics in performing the task so that we can avoid unnecessary accident. Okay? And also be confident when it comes to answering the questions in oral exam. I would like to congratulate you for the job well done, and you are already competent for these qualifications. Please sign the competency assessment results and go to the TESDA for the issuance of your national certificate. The AC manager will inform you where to claim your certificate after 5 working days. And upon claiming, please bring with you your copy of ID, one piece of ID passport size. Again, congratulations. Candidate number 2, are you done?
Yes, sir.
So please be seated. Are you ready for oral questioning? How do you feel about my assessment?
I feel that I did my best for this.
So you're able to perform all the tasks you did, not to follow the instruction, which leads to failure in performing the task. You did not get the passing score for your demonstrations, and you only got 18/40 on the written test. Also, during the oral questioning, you were not able to answer all the questions correctly. Based on my observation, you are not yet competent. But don't worry, you can have your reassessment. Just wait for the schedule and kindly affix your signature in the competency assessment results summary. And go to the TESDA if you have any concerns with the results, you have the right to appeal, and you can submit your appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office where assessment area and assessors are accredited. Thank you. Candidates, we are already finished with our assessment. Please let's implement the 5S to maintain the cleanliness of our venue. Please sign this written slip as well as the competency assessment results summary. I will be signing all assessment package. Sign and submit it to the TESDA representative. Sir, ma'am, here are the documents of the national assessment in the qualifications of driving NC2. Thank you very much.